Sunday nights at 9. Now, your local on the 8s.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, a wintry mix of snow, sleet, or freezing rain. Cold, high 29. Winds east-northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 2 to 4 inches. For tonight, snow, sleet, and ice changing to all snow. Low 25. Snow accumulating 4 to 6 inches. On Saturday, variable clouds with numerous snow showers or flurries expected. Cold, high 29. Here's our 7-day outlook.